All right, so I'm at the Camelback location. They recently remodeled. This used to be the basketball court. So I'm going to show you around. This is the lift room, and all the equipment is new, so it's very nice. It's so quiet today. I don't know, maybe, I don't know if they don't know that they don't have a music playing, but it's super quiet. So let me show you out. I don't even know what this is for yet. It looks like arms. Oh, it says legs and glutes. Yeah, so I got me a C4 today because I've already had my other pre-workout drink, and I figured I was going to be here for a couple hours. So I'm going to go sit in the sauna, enjoy this, and then come back and do some lifting. It's nice. It's just quiet. It's so quiet. It's weird. But all right, check in a second. Be honest, everybody wants that $100,000 FTMO account. It sounds really good, right? Tell me I'm wrong. The big numbers, big profits, but the problem is that if you can't manage a $10,000 account, what makes you think you'll magically succeed with 100,000? So today, I'm going to walk you through setting up a $10,000 FTMO challenge, and I believe this is going to be the smartest way to start because the spoiler alert, you don't have to stick around to the end of the video to know this, but it's not about the money, it's about the skills. All right, so let's do this. FTMO, first things first, you'll want to head over to FTMO's site. You can scan the QR code for a special discount for my subscribers, and you'll want to select your account size. You'll see the option, $10,000 option. And just in case you were wondering, we are now back in the game as US traders. Okay. If you're in America, you can take advantage of FTMO prop trading today. Okay. And so here's the different levels. Obviously, 200,000. They say the best value is the 100,000. And if you're brand new to prop trading, just understanding the profit target, the daily loss, the max loss, the minimum trading days. I made a video the other day where I was talking about the two-step. I mean, if the minimum trading days are 4, then I guess that's not too bad to have you go through of two steps of the challenge. It's not too bad, but at the same time, it's like gross. So we have trading period. It's unlimited. So they're giving you an unlimited time to reach your profit target, and then whatever level you choose, this refund here is reimbursing you the amount that you paid for one time. One of the things that I do like about FTMO is that they don't have any hidden fees. It's literally this amount, you pay that, that's what you get, right? 289, you get a $25,000 account. Now keep in mind what I said in the last video. This is literally demo trading, so don't get too big headed. All right. So some traders will probably think, why would I start with a $10,000 account? Ew, gross. Average reward $580 a month. Well, the reason why is because trading discipline scales. So if you are not able to protect a $10,000 account, then you certainly would not be able to protect a $100,000 account. But if you blow a $10,000 account, a $100,000 account just means you're going to blow up faster and bigger. So what I do like, just keeping in mind the rules. FTMO keeps it simple with what they're expecting you to do. Step one is 10%, 10%. Step two is 5%. So for instance, let's just say with the $100,000 account, in the first step, you're going to need to do 10% on a $100,000 account, which is $10,000. And then the second step to progress, you only need to hit 5. All right. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Of course, part of it I will pause when I'm putting in my credit card information, and then we'll walk through getting the account, and then we'll also go to MT4 so that you can see that part. So I'm going to pause here, fill out my billing info, and I'll be right back. Okay, so one of the things that I did find out during setting this up is apparently it's not available in all states. So that may be something that you consider. It is available in the state that I live in. So I might be able to go back. Let's see what this is. Login credentials. Now I will need to download F, not FTMO. I will need to download. I will need to download MT4. Oh, good look. All right. Well, thank you for learning me just that easy. Only available for Windows. Extension for your MetaTrader 5. That's not true. Let's see. Let's see if it'll let me download it anyway. Let's try it out. Okay, it said no. So I'm gonna need to figure out how to download MT5. I don't have any other downloads. Let's see if I go here. You're going through this with me as we see the step. Get the extension. Okay. MT5. MT5. Trade Manager, Quick Trade Manager, MetaTrader 5, supported here we go. Good looking out. So we're downloading MetaTrader 5, and I will get that going. So now that I've purchased the challenge, they're going to send the login, and then we'll load it into MT5 and get going. So the mindset shift, of course, is treating this $10,000 like it is your last $10,000. It's not play money, it's not a demo, it's your real capital. So that mindset is going to force you to have discipline. And so if you want to get started with FTMO, definitely check out the link in the description, or you can scan the QR code. We'll put it up on the screen. And one of the things I'll say is where most traders wreck themselves is on a 10,000 account, understanding that risking 1% is literally only $100. So if your stop loss is 20 pips, you're trading zero point 0.5 lots on Euro USD, not 2 lots. So don't go YOLO on us when we're doing this. Now, a couple of the other things I wanted to just kind of go through really quick in this video is that I do think that there is some value in FTMO Academy. I won't go all the way into that, but I do think that there is some value in that. So just wanted to make this clear. If you can't pass a $10,000 account, you have no business signing up for a $100,000 account. A smaller account is not punishment, it's literally your training ground. So once you can prove that you can trade a $10,000 account with discipline, then scaling to 25,000, 50,000, or 100,000 is just going to become second nature. So I'm going to pause the video. We're going to set up MT5 and then we'll get logged in. Be right back. Burb. Okay, so we are in. We are in to our MetaTrader 5. Now I haven't really used. Not gonna lie here. I haven't used MetaTrader 5 that much. So I am going to customize it and get the charts that are important to me back up. Let's see. Are these charts here? Nice, 4x. Now, if they don't have USDZR, I'm gonna be upset with them. I'm gonna go to charts, insert symbols. I guess they put them all up there. I was about to say, I was gonna get mad. Show symbol. You can hide this one. So now we're just going through, I'm customizing the MetaTrader 5 to not show some of the stuff that I don't care about. I don't care about USD CAD or USD CHF. Don't care about that. They got a lot of good pairs in here. That's exciting. Hide symbol. Don't care. Oh, they have Euros are? Oh, snap. Let's show it. Do they have GBPs are? That would be nice. I said get rid of your USD. Get rid of your USD. Let's go. Okay, it does. Oh, because I guess it's open. We'll come back to that. They have a lot of interesting pairs in here. AUDs are. Never heard of it. Nice. I know you can search, but I'm just kind of looking through. GBPs are. Yes, you do. Let's do it. So, what else do we want? Not really partial to anything else right now. NASDAQ. Let's take that off. Hide. Because I don't even want to get tempted to trade S&P. So now we're just going to hit OK. And then I am going to bring up a chart of Euro USD, not Euro USD, Euros, Euro. Why do I keep saying Euro? USDs are. And so now I don't know what netting means, but perhaps that's why it's not showing our charts. So there we have it. I mean, that's really the video, is that I just wanted to walk through the process of getting set up with a $10,000 challenge with FTMO. And if you are ready to take the $10,000 challenge and start building your accounts properly, check out the link in the description below, or you can scan the QR code on your screen and get started with FTMO today. Make sure you trade smart, keep it nice and boring, okay? Nice and boring, because that's how you win. Until the next time, take care. Trade safe.